We're about to get our Christmas on. Oh my gosh, it's like crazy heavy. And also I think mine's a unicorn. Look at it, look at this. Oh. I'll try and get out with it now. Do you know, they're ridiculously strong. Who knew? I'm waiting for him to take the turkey and he's on the phone. It's definitely better times so he could be having a phone call. I think it's the same as cool too. Oh my gosh, it's exhausting. So, he holds it like that to support its body so it doesn't hurt itself or damage itself during the process. Gump, go back! He cuts its head straight off is because it means that its brain is brain dead instantly. I hate the idea of them being in pain. I know that it seems barbaric, but it's truly the kindest way. What we do next is fill up the burqa boiler, and then the turkey will be dunked into there just for like 2 seconds, and then it will be dunked into cold water to prevent it from cooking, and it makes it so much easier to pluck the bird. Just waiting for the burqa boiler to heat up, and my friend said to me, "What are you doing?" So I sent her a photo of me and the turkey. Obviously the turkey's still alive in the photo, and she said to me, "Is that dinner?" I said, "Well, for Sunday, yes." And she was horrified. But the thing I keep trying to explain is that she will buy her turkey from a supermarket, and I've seen the way that they are reared. They are reared intensively, and they're kept in a shed for their whole life, and they don't really have that nice a time, I don't think. Oh no, what are you eating, Gumpy? Hey, what have you got? What is this? What is that you've got? Oh, it's just a feather. Okay, could have been worse. And our turkeys, well, we've known them, and they have lived outdoors, and they've got a lovely, comfy house to go into, and they've not all been squished in together, and they haven't been injected with anything, and they haven't been, well, intensively reared or anything like that. So a lot of people think, well, why, that's gross, I can't believe you kill your own turkey. But actually, I think it's a lot more gross to buy a turkey from the supermarket and eat one of those for your Christmas dinner than it is to rear one yourself. I'd much rather have one that we've reared ourselves. Anyway, her reaction always kills me with laughter. She's just sent me a load of faces like this. And it's too funny. And here is the cheerful farmer about to dunk his balls. Oh, no, turkey. Wait. Obviously most people would have turned off the electrics first, I should think. Oh, he's gone. Excellent. Oh, that doesn't smell yummy. Right, well, I'm going to go pluck that anyway.